computer. Okay, so first I'm going to send you in Slack the code that you're gonna paste in to your code. And then basically what you'll have to do, I'm gonna have you share your screen once you get it.
Yeah.
I'll just start a chat with you. Okay, so that's the code.
Perfect.
And then just share your screen whenever. You're just gonna need your playground up.
Okay. Where will I paste this into my YAML?
So I have it after the end, my last code block, and then before the attachment blocks, but I don't know what your code looks like. If you share your code, I can show you where.
Can you see my screen?
Yep, there we go. Okay, so yeah, let's scroll down. So your attachment blocks, are they at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay. So, oh, where'd it go? There we go. All right, attorneys. Let's go up more. This is other code.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, because it's the docx. Okay, that's why I was confused. Sorry. Okay, so let's just paste it at the bottom of the very bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. That's good. Okay, so now what you'll see is the difference between, you're gonna need to get the name of your template. So the title, it might be in the metadata, I believe. So
I think this is the name of the template here.
Variable. Okay, just copy that. And then you're gonna, perfect. And then we're just gonna slowly scroll through here. Actually, you can search in your search bar generic, because mine is the generic motion form. So it'll, you can search, yeah, that's good. And then just scroll over to try and find it. It should be there. Generic, it's because it's the whole variable. All right, let's go down more. I know where it is. So there we go. Generic motion, family law. So that one, then paste.
I wonder would it be docx or just a notice of limited appearance?
So it's whatever the label of
the actual Word document.
The document that you have in your template.
Okay, yeah, no, it's just.
So it's just that? Okay. Yeah. And then you're gonna do that again, wherever it has that, the generic motion form relabeled, right here, yeah. And then I think that's it.
So that's
relabeled attachment, you're gonna wanna just put that in there as well.
Okay.
But just do another space at the beginning between the first, between the first squiggly and the N. There you go. Okay, so I think, let's just scroll, yeah. Okay, so I think that was all of them. We can try and run through it and then see if it goes.
Should I put it into my code block at the top?
So let me see. What do you mean?
And sorry, the interview order block at the top.
Oh, that's a great
just to make sure it comes up.
Let me just, I don't know why I can't. Oh, there we go.
The review all sections. This
Yeah.
is the code we just put in. Yeah.
Yeah, go to your interview order.
Okay. Where do we want
You're
this?
not going to put review all sections in, but it's going to be, yeah, let's go to interview order.
Yeah, this is it here.
So signature date, then you have download. Right above download, you're going to put, you're gonna hit paste, do paste there of the variable you had. What was it, the name of your template.
Oh yeah, sure.
And you're just gonna set it equal to true. Capital T.
There we go.
Perfect. And
Oh,
what?
sorry, go on.
And then you can save and run.
Okay, perfect.
See how this goes.
This would be great if it just worked the first time.
Would be a miracle.
Going through this, you're going to see how many things I've written in.
Same.
So many times.
You at least write full names.
Not for all of them.
Okay, perfect. Perfect, looks good. Okay, you have interesting.
PDF concatenate.
Okay, PDF no files to okay, where does it have PDF concatenate?
I wonder, is it because mine is docx?
Can you just search for PDF concatenate form to sign? Okay, that wasn't the code though, or
No, that's not what we put in.
I'm form to sign. Oh, form to sign equals preview. Form to sign.
That's what we've been using to get the preview.
Okay. Where do you call for that?
And I think that we had some issues with it because it was docx. But then we had, like, we worked with Quentin and
you get your metadata real quick. At the top. It should be all the way at the top.
Okay.
Is this the first thing? Okay.
Yeah.
There, scroll a little bit. It should maybe underneath this. Sets, okay. Maybe it's at the bottom.
What are you looking for?
The metadata. So basically it'll say search for mandatory. Okay. Then others. Oh, okay, good. Okay. Is that back to the other one, or wait, go do that again? Is it keep going through them? There's only 2 of them?
No, there's a few.
How many?
Oh, no, they're the same. There's that one. So there's 3.
Which one is the other mandatory?
Oh, sorry, no, there's only 2.
Yeah. Okay. So for mine, I had interview metadata that basically, let's go into your folders and look at what the actual name of the template is, just to make sure that we're not getting that wrong.
Okay.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Wonder maybe docx might work because I know we have that in some of them,
Yeah.
even though the name itself is notice of limited appearance. Oh, docx. Okay.
Okay, so that's what we're just gonna add to all of those other things, because maybe that's why we're erroring, or if we're not erroring because of that, I don't know what the problem is.
This could work. That was my fault there now.
No. So yeah, docx. I think you had it right. You just, or is it? Oh,
Yeah.
is it? Okay, so copy and paste this.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna want that to remain consistent. So for all of.
I think there was just 2 we put in.
Yeah, and then above that in the Mako tags, notice of limited appearance in the.
Oh yeah.
There you go. I just saw you scroll over it.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh.
There it is. Yep. 409. Yeah. Perfect. Let's try that. So maybe just save it and then. Okay. Well, never mind. If you save it and then you just like reload it. Maybe showed me that this morning, so you don't have to redo the whole thing again.
Okay. Interesting.
But now, if we hit save and run, we have to go through it all. It's totally fine.
I didn't realize that. Okay. I was always looking for a way to like make it quicker.
Yeah.
When you save and run, it takes so long. Okay, I'll be quick.
No worries.
And then when we have the code sorted, do we test the cover sheet the same way in the template?
Yeah,
as the
there's a tab for with the cover sheet. I don't know if yeah, so that's where it gets tested.
Okay, and it's similar to the way we would test the preview screen as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Ever notice how the code and the interviews keep getting longer and longer the more you work on them?
Okay. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, but there's no forward button. Interesting, because you signed, you got a review screen, right? Then you
we got a preview screen.
Yep. So
then we got this.
You just need the send to court button. Why isn't it letting you do the send to court button? Let's go look at it again. Let's see what we just had you enter in. Okay, so
I'm just gonna have a quick look. So we put in the review all sections code.
Oh, preferred court is an undefined name. So on the side there in red,
yeah,
hit that one. It should bring you there, I thought, or maybe the search bar or the little magnifying glass next to it. Oh, there it is at the bottom. Oh, okay. It's because it's right next to the 3 dashes. So go down. Preferred court. Let me see where I have that in mind.
I think that pasted weirdly.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
So this cover sheet comes up before you download, but after you sign.
What?
Sorry, the cover sheet, like the review screen, when you run the interview, it comes up before the user signs, or after the user signs, and before the user can download.
The cover sheet will come up at the end, after they sign.
And before you can download it.
But when they're doing the submit to court, but your submit to court button isn't showing up, and I think that's because there's an issue with the preferred court thing.
Okay. We didn't have a submit to court before this.
Yeah, interview metadata. Okay. Oh.
We have preferred.
Oh, it's because I have my preferred court set to.
We have the variable allowed courts, but we don't have a preferred court in our YAML.
Let me see where you're at in this. Okay. Sorry, this is taking longer than I thought it would. Because it's not bringing me there. Right. Progress 100. Make search mandatory. Okay. Yeah. Delete preferred court there because I think when you clicked on it, it added that.
Okay.
I'll delete that because I'm looking at mine, it doesn't have that. Okay, so now hit the the magnifying glass. Oh no, don't save and run. Yeah, the magnifying glass. Is it showing you that? It's saying that's an undefined name, but it's not showing.
I just deleted it. Maybe I'll just save it and then search it.
Yeah. That's so interesting. Okay, so maybe that's not the issue, but let's go back to calling it in your interview order. You have, oh, did you change it in your interview order to the docx?
Yeah.
You did? Let's see.
Yeah.
It was true.
Maybe we should add in a preferred court here.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you have different interview metadata than.
Yeah.
Okay. This is just a comment section. All right. So go back to that, please. The preferred allowed courts. Okay. Then let me just search for again. Okay. Preferred court. So. Title motion. This interview preferred court equals. How do you do that? Yeah, let's do the same thing, exact same, like copy from the bottom parenthesis, like the superior court, that one, up to the equal sign, and we're gonna do, and this might not work, just being honest, we're gonna do another line of preferred underscore courts, or court. Okay. Okay.
And then should we put preferred court back where it was before?
No, because when you clicked on the red, it just inserted it there. It was never anything that I sent you.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not, like, why it's saying that. Let's just try that and see if that's something.
Okay.
See. I have a feeling this is gonna error. I'm thinking that the issue
Oh, no error, but no forward button.
Okay, so it's doing the same thing it was before. All right, so okay, we can leave that as is because no error. Okay. Looks great, but let's look now for, can you search in the thing, form_2_sign? Right there, yeah. I just want to see how many you have. You can go next. Code. Oh, is it? You have more. Let's see. How many of them do you have? There's 3 in there.
Yeah, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's 4.
You have 4. Okay, where's the 4th? Because I only have 3 in mine.
Okay, so we have review to before signature, so there's 1 there.
Wait, let me make sure I have like each one that you have. Okay, form to sign there, right under sending the form to the court. Yes, I have that one. Next is
the one under preview screen. So I have a second one.
Delete this one.
Sorry?
Delete that form to sign.
Okay. And then we have another one here.
Wait, okay. Go back to where you were before. I don't know. It's gonna be the under, yes, so it's form to sign up there. Yeah, you have the progress 95. Yeah, I like that. So I do have this one. Can you do an enter after the period and an enter after the form to sign?
Yeah.
Just for spacing purposes. And
like
then,
that?
yeah, and then also a space between the squiggly and the F.
Squiggly and the...
No.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Sorry. But yeah, there you go. Okay, so now go to the other one you have in a code block, the form to sign one that you have in your own code block, because that's something that I think might be messing this up. Form to sign concatenate, because remember it was saying something about the concatenate.
Yeah.
What is this telling it to do? I don't know what that is.
Okay, so I'm trying to refresh my memory. We did this a good while ago. I know it was to get the preview screen generated, and we wanted the signatures to come after the preview screen.
Okay, can we try something? I'm gonna have you, are you on a Mac or a PC?
PC.
Okay, so this might not work, but it might work. So go to 319 and put your, click next to 319. At the beginning of the 3 dots. Perfect. Okay, and then bring your cursor there.
Yeah.
Bring the mouse there, yep. You're gonna hit Option.
Option.
Is that an option on yours? And you're gonna hold it.
Okay.
Is it working?
Oh
no, it's in regard to your mouse. Your mouse should change into a plus sign. Maybe try Control on yours.
Okay.
It might be a different thing. I was just trying to show you.
Is it like what you would do to comment it out?
Yeah, to drag.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you knew. So how are you doing it on the PC?
Control Alt click.
Control Alt click. Okay. For me, it's just Option pull down.
Okay. I don't think I have Option. Maybe I do, but.
Okay, no worries. Sorry about that. Yeah. So pull down to 321 and then, no, not 322, just 321. Yeah. I think you went, oh, there you go. Okay. And then just Shift 3.
Shift 3?
Yeah.
Like go down 3?
No, press Shift and then press 3.
Okay. Oh, do you mean just like?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know you.
No, you're good.
The pound key.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Okay, so perfect. Looks great. That was funny. Okay, so now save and run, and let's just try and see what that is doing to the form.
It's being so slow.
I'm just gonna respond.
Okay, so it's the same error, the PDF concatenate. I suspect it's to do with this being a docx.
Go all the way down. Yeah. What did it last search for? Form to sign?
So I think we might need the form to sign that we took out for the preview screen block.
Yeah, and then maybe we need to come back to this error and see what it's looking for when we include it in. So sorry for taking you through this.
No, you're good.
If it gets too late where you are, just like let me know and we can circle back to this tomorrow.
Okay. Sure.
So let's delete those or take out those data about not the, what is it called, the you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what my brain. Okay. Yeah.
I think we might have to put back in the form to sign.
Yep. So just I think you just did it, right?
Where was it?
It was right there. I think you just added it back in. Oh, I thought you had added this one back in.
No, it was the one we took out.
Okay, yeah, let's add that one. But there you have the, did you still have the other one commented out?
No.
Okay.
I commented it out.
So let's add that form to sign back in and then run through the interview again. Because I thought we have that added back in.
It was $1.
No. Yeah, you're, yep.
I think it was like this.
Yep, but you're just gonna want the $sign and the squiggly to be right next to each other. And then you're just gonna wanna do an enter. Preview your form. I think
I can actually just open up another interview and just double check that that's the way it was. An older one.
Yeah, because I don't.
I think it was. Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh, it was here. So it was just like this. Okay.
Okay, so what I think we need to do actually is comment that one out, because what we're adding in, it's like, let's try this. Go back down to that part. I don't know if you want to search form to sign or, okay, this is it. So continue button field. Okay. Do it, enter, yeah, perfect. And then scroll up a little bit. You wrote this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you no. Go back down. Comment that one out, like from like this just code block out up until 320.
Okay, so the question block.
Yes, the preview screen, because including those first 3 dots, and you're not gonna. Oh, you need.
With the continue button field as well.
Yep. Okay. So now, do you still have the other? Can you search form to sign?
Yeah.
Thank you. Perfect. Okay. Next one is there. Next one. That one is the one I have. Yep, that one's the one I have.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have that one. Next one is need form to sign, and then you have that. And then it should go back to the show if one. Or how many, wait, go back. How many do you have?
Sorry, there's the progress 95 one.
Okay.
Then there's the need form to sign.
Okay, perfect. Then yeah, go back up to the other ones. You can go back forward. It's like they're like 2 back. Yeah, the other one. Perfect. Yeah, I want you to comment this out as well again.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, 321, 322, and 323. Okay. Now save and run. Yeah. Let's see. Oh goodness.
And if you need to hop off me at if you've got other things, just let me know.
Nope, nothing. This is it.
Okay. Mike and Tyler have been working with docx and their cover sheet, haven't they? I think they've done their cover sheet. Have they coded it? I wonder, because they're working with docx as well.
Okay.
I don't know if they've done this or not, though.
Neither do I. But yeah, if they have, then maybe that'd be a good resource to reach out if this doesn't work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go scroll to the bottom. Because that was an earlier error than before.
Yeah.
Keep going down. Oh, we didn't do in your interview order. We didn't change the interview order or take it out of the interview order.
Okay.
So let's go back to the, go up to the interview order. Where do you call for preview screen? Is that the variable you're calling for in order to?
Yeah, generate the preview screen.
Yeah, do pound. Yep, perfect. And then scroll up a little bit. Because did we get this far? You were able to get through all. Where did you get the block?
Like where did the error appear?
Yeah.
This one appeared. I think it was before. Did we get to the preview screen?
Go back one. I don't know if you're allowed or if it will let you. Like, no, you don't have to retry it. Oh.
Interesting.
Okay, so now it's letting you. Did you hit save on the playground?
Yeah.
Go all the way down. Okay. No, go back to the interview. The error. Hit retry. Yeah, you can enter. Enter them. Yep, perfect. That was it. But you didn't get the preview screen.
Yeah, because we commented all the code out.
I'm just curious if we're going to get a send to court button.
That would be great.
No. Okay, I don't know why. You still need to deliver it to the Bristol. So why is it saying you need to deliver? That must be something in your form. So you know what we commented out. We kept it there for this reason. But and you have the code that I have.
Yeah. So this is the code we put in.
Yeah.
All of this here.
Go to the bottom. No.
Will not be sent to the court.
Go down more. Buttons continue. You're almost done. Keep going down. Keep going down. Form to sign. Keep going down. Yep.
Still here, I think. Is it? Oh no, it's right here.
Keep going. Download form. Keep going. Keep going. End if. Keep going. All right. Keep going. No. Okay. Stop. Signature of attorney. Okay. Yeah, that's all the code we put in.
And we want this to generate after the signatures, do we? Or
yeah.
Okay, it should do because in the code block we have it in above or after the signature.
Well,
we have it just right before the
interview order after the signatures, so it shouldn't matter where it is.
Yeah, no, it shouldn't because we put it in the right place in the interview order.
So that's why I'm confused why you're not getting the send to court.
So how does it look on yours? It comes up.
There's a green button with to blank court, and it's whatever court you selected.
And then it just automatically gets sent.
Okay, I think I found it. Go to the download form.
Here.
Form to file them. No. Go to the playground, and then the download form. What is it? Download form. It's the ID. So just search download form. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Scroll tiny bit. You'll get to the courts 0. This is the download one. This is the screen that it should be coming up. Emergency helpline. Let's see. No. It's too far. Go back up. I think you went a little too far. Oh, it's because you have, this is all jumbled in yours because of the way it pasted, I think. Do a enter after the, enter between line 403 and line 404.
403, 404.
Yep. Perfect. Else, your email delivered. It's already been delivered to courts, okay? Or download email below. Okay, and then enter between, or after the squiggly line on line 400 and then 401.
Okay.
Yep, perfect. And then let's keep scrolling up a little bit. This just makes it more readable. make changes, enter after the squiggly of make changes. Okay, form to file. No cover.
I wonder, should we get rid of the download screen we originally had?
That's what I was trying to do with the code that block that I got out with the form to file, because
I think if we comment out maybe the very last, because this is the screen that's still coming up, is this one.
oh.
This is our download screen.
No. That's not the one that's still coming up, but that's, oh, it is still coming up.
Yeah. So
yes.
I wonder, should we?
Yes, because it reads bottom to top, so it's going to read that first. So let's comment out that one. I didn't even think about that.
And then take it at or
go back down, go all the way down. Notice of attachment code, notice of limited appearance. What is that at the bottom?
Sorry.
No, very last line in your code. Did you see that at the bottom? No. Go back one. That one. Okay. 486, attachment code, notice of limited appearance. Is that supposed to be in that block?
Yeah, because I think it's,
okay.
It showed up the form signed at the very end.
Okay. Attachment. Okay, let's try and save and run this one.
Should I comment it out of the interview order as well?
Not download, because we have a download screen that we're already calling for higher up, but because it reads bottom to top, it was reading this one.
Oh, it's taking this one first. Okay, interesting.
What will be interesting is after we try this, and if it works, then if we take out the other, add in the preview screen again, if it works, then that'll be interesting.
That'll be fun.
At least we know our attack plan.
Yeah. If it all goes rosy.
Yeah, right. I don't know what we're gonna do if it doesn't go rosy.
Okay. Almost there. The same error.
Let's go all the way to the bottom of this. Needed definition of interview metadata.
Do we need to create an object block? For
where do you have interview? That's what I'm thinking. You don't have interview.
Yeah, we don't have that in our code. So maybe we need to define it or something. So
wizard though, right?
Sorry?
You made this with the wizard though, right?
No, we wrote this code because the wizard doesn't work with docx.
Right. Okay.
So I'm thinking it's probably a docx problem, and your code
is just different. Yeah.
Yeah, it might need to be tweaked to work with docx, because we've had to do that with every code so far. We've had to change it so it works with docx.
Yep.
And I'm thinking with this code, with the review screen, it's probably the same.
Yeah, so I think what you need to do is probably ask, I don't know who the docx person is. Is it Quentin or Michelle?
Quentin. Yeah, Quentin's helped us a lot. So maybe if we send him this code, your PDF code, and ask how would this work for docx?
Yeah. I just I think it's also we should ask Quentin if the code that we're trying to put in yours is calling for, can you search in yours metadata?
Yeah. So I think it only comes up with the code we just pasted in.
Attachment
codes.
and the interview metadata, but that's just a comment, but that's on fine being defined. This will be built from the interview metadata's final form to file
being defined.
Okay. Interesting. So this is just a comment. This will be built from the interview if you will add any addenda you want to set this code block somewhere that takes priority over basic questions YAML. Okay.
So we put interview metadata in a code block.
So no. I think what you
need to file, yeah,
equals so let's copy final form to file and then go to your the very top where we had the preferred courts. Because I think that kind of functions as like metadata for you guys.
It's what?
I think where you have the preferred courts. I think this is kind of like I think this would be like metadata for you guys.
Okay, yes, because this overrides our basic questions.
Yes. Okay.
So that would make sense. Okay.
So paste final equals.
True.
No. Equals, what is the name of the form? It's the docx. Yeah. So noted. So I don't know. Yeah. Let's save it. Just save it. Don't do save and run. And then let's just try and reload that page. All right. No, not this page. The other page. It's okay.
It was saved. Okay, so this page?
This one. Yeah. Reload it.
I didn't know you could do this. My mind is blown.
Okay. So let's
I knew.
Try and date that now. And we might still error.
That is such a good trick, though. Yeah, it's still error.
Okay, let's go back down to the bottom. Is it still saying the exact same thing, though?
New definition of download. Time to forum, no cover. So maybe we need to define this.
Let's see. File no cover. Oh, that's the one without the cover sheet. Okay. Yes, that's exactly what we need to do. And that's going to be equal to the same thing.
Yeah.
So up top, do that again.
I'm wondering why it's calling for a definition of interview metadata.
Me as well. Interview. Let's see where that is. All right, I'm just gonna go through. I didn't send. It's in the comment, but all right, so you added that form to, okay. Now let's do search interview underscore metadata. Perfect. Now go up. All right, it looks the same as in mine. File download.
I wonder because we're not using interview metadata. I mean, at least I don't think we are with docx. and we defined final form to file, but it says that it's taking that from the interview metadata dictionary's contents. So am I correct in saying interview metadata is to do with the wizard and PDF?
Yes. Well, metadata, it's like for us, like on ours, it's just like a bunch of garbage at the top of our code that like explains all the variables.
Okay.
Useless. Yeah. So, but I guess it is doing something. I honestly want to try, just because it's a comment, just delete the underscore in between interview and metadata.
Okay.
Let's just try.
Okay, did that go straight?
Interesting. Wait, you did a save and run just from that?
And it went straight into this question.
What? Wait,
What?
put the underscore back. Let's see what happens.
Oh my gosh.
That's so funny. Wait, save and run. Or it's what we added in before, because we did two things.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, no, it's what we added before.
What we added in up top. So I wonder why. I don't get it.
Oh, we tried to find these two.
Form
Yeah.
no cover. Search for form to file no cover in other places in your yeah. Where is okay, that's where it was looking for. And then any other places? No. It's only those two.
Yeah. Weird.
Comment it out and see what, and then save and run. I'm just so curious. If that's what's causing this, because that's so interesting.
Will it comment it out here or?
No, that's perfect.
Okay. I don't know what is occurring.
You can delete some of the other ones. There's like 5 open, just so that it probably goes faster. Okay, something's up. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. And wait, I'm gonna save and run just again, just to be sure that's what came up. Okay, interesting.
What did we do? Oh my god. All right, let's go back. Comment out final form to file. Save and run. So intrigued.
I thought it was the underscore, but no. Okay, yeah, so it was those two for some reason.
It wasn't those two, it was the first one.
Yeah, sorry, it was the first one.
But it wasn't doing it. That is so interesting. How about we put them in their own code block? Like in their own, well, no, this is your interview metadata.
I could do another code block. Yeah, I'll do another code block.
Yeah, let's try that. This is so interesting. Oh, and then interview presents equals true is going to go back up under preferred courts.
Okay.
Oh, no, you don't need 2 code blocks. You can put these in the same code block. Does that make sense? Yeah. Interview presents is going to go up. Yeah. Yeah. And then do an enter under true. In between 23 and 24, you need a space.
23 and 20.
And then you need the 3 lines. And then get rid of interview presents equals true for the second one, yeah. Let's give this one a go.
This is the definition of us puzzling through.
Yeah. All right. Well, we didn't
Yeah.
and it didn't
At least it went to the right page.
went to the right page. It's a great sign. Is it going in the right order?
Yeah. Just missing the preview, but I feel like once we...
But we're doing that on purpose right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is promising. Ah!
Yay, we did it! Okay, now the only thing that I'm not seeing is it should, or download in / email below, there should be something below there. So we're getting there. Like we're doing the right thing. It shouldn't be this complicated. I don't know what's happening.
I think it must be the docx problem.
Yeah.
And that we didn't use the wizard.
But we got this part up, which is amazing. How about we take back in the review screens, because I know that that's going to be something that you're going to want in the interview, obviously.
Oh, the preview, yeah.
The preview
I just have a question. How does it appear on your interview? Like, what's below here?
Mm-hmm. Give me a second.
The download email. 'Cause I just didn't know what this was supposed to look like.
Totally valid. All right. I'm going to run through mine. Do you want to go take out the
preview,
the comments, and bring the preview back in?
Will do.
And I don't know if we're going to get an error then, but we'll see.
So that came up for us because we defined what it was calling for, essentially. We defined a few variables.
Okay.
So that was good.
I'm just running through mine.
Okay, perfect.
And the good thing is that we have a recording of all of this that I'll send you after this. So if you have to go back and be like, I don't remember what else we changed.
Thank you so much for taking the time as well
Yeah.
to go through it. Yeah, okay, so we have the preview back in.
Okay. Oh, we have the preview button. It's back?
Yeah.
Yay. Okay.
Well, I haven't saved and run it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I was like, whoa.
I think it should be okay though, but I'll run through it.
Okay. Ignore the fact that mine has several forms.
Yeah.
But this is what it's like supposed to look like down below. I'll send it to you on Slack.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. So
Did it not work?
not letting us continue.
What?
Oh no, it's working.
Okay.
I got worried there for a second.
Okay, here we go. Look at this.
Okay, so we have the preview.
Yeah, let's see what happens at the end.
Worried there for a second.
We got it. All right.
Um,
Let's see.
Okay, so we're good with the preview. It's back.
Okay, and then or download an email below. Let's go back into your code because I think that's only one more thing. Yeah, you can look at the picture I just sent you.
I'm gonna have a quick look.
Back into your playground.
Oh, so you want the creation of the document that you can download as well.
Or down. So search download. Okay, and then just scroll through. Perfect. Okay, now scroll. If not defined, okay, it's going to be in that one. Keep scroll like a little bit farther. Probably it's going to be around 400. Okay. If not defined, wait. Or download email/email below. Let's see what's going on there. Where was I? Else, your email has been delivered to courts. File download with cover page. Final form to file. URL for. We have final form to file. Set to above.
Yeah.
It's set to your docx. So
we don't have final form to file .url.
But I don't have that either, and mine works. Is the notice of limited appearance, is everything spelled right there? Yeah.
Let me just go back up and check.
Because that's where it's going wrong. Let's go to the error. Or, well, yeah, wait, can we go to the source code? Because I think that's going to tell us what, because it's not erroring, it's just not showing.
It's not showing.
Just the source, right at the top there, next to mouse access.
Sorry?
Go to
the source code. Sorry.
No, that's okay. Perfect. Let's go all the way to the bottom, I think. Needed definition of. Keep scrolling. Send icon. Envelope? What is that? I have no idea. That's not in the code. Oh, just kidding. It is in the code.
Is it?
Yeah.
And it's calling for definition. Okay. Okay, that's right before the download email.
Oh.
But envelope is not.
Yeah.
Send icon equals. So will we put this in at the top?
I don't know. Like, I think I got you this far, and I don't know what's next. Like,
I can get on to Quinton and just say that, like, there's just one section missing, but we have the screen coming up.
It's just the email link.
It's just the PDF that you can click in and see, isn't it? That you can download. That's not.
And you can't do the email this document, I don't believe, on yours. Can you? You can go back to it. Yeah, go back. Because I don't think you have the email the document option either.
Yeah, I don't think it came up. And it's just like
you can click back. Yeah, it doesn't allow you.
Okay. Yeah. I can actually continue puzzling with this, and I can contact Quinton.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I've taken up so much of your time already.
No, not at all. But please let me know what the solution was.
Yeah, I will.
I'm so curious. Oh goodness. Alrighty.
Thank you so much for having me.